Mother's Day, graduation, and all the spring parties. And if you are looking to be financially savvy and maximize every dollar you spend. So maybe consider a heartfelt DIY gift like making a card or baking their favorite treat. Or for those hosting, reimagine your space. Instead of paying for a party venue, create a backyard picnic or entertain at a local park. Another great tip is to see if your credit card has special offers or benefits that earn you cash back. For example, Chase Freedom Unlimited recently launched their May Month of More, where card members can save up to 15% on gift cards and earn up to 10% cash back from favorite brands like Nike, Sephora, or Neiman Marcus. Points go 10% further when you redeem them at the Apple Ultimate Rewards store. Or treat that recent grad in your life to a home chef or Wayfair gift card as they prepare to live on their own. Or consider a fresh bouquet from Pro Flowers or nice perfume from Sephora this Mother's Day. Regardless of the gift, you'll be earning a boost in cash back when you use Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. In addition to the card's regular benefits, both your loved ones and your wallet will have a reason to celebrate. And if you're not a Chase Freedom card member, you'll want to apply. Card members are always earning with unlimited 1.5 cash back on all purchases. Plus, your rewards never expire as long as your account is open. And as if it could not get any better, Freedom Unlimited card members can also earn 5% cash back on travel purchased through Chase's Ultimate Rewards, 3% cash back on dining and drugstores, and 1.5% cash back on all other purchases. So you're always earning when celebrating this spring and beyond. And to learn more about these great offers from Chase Freedom, visit chase.com/Freedom Unlimited. And until then, happy celebrating.